Kotoko I na adwen say indiscipline there. Say no. Among tolerate bio because of this. Ewiya Kotoko training a course so ewo adakwaja achego. And I be to just say one of Kotoko wingers no and a coach assistant coach of Kumasa Sante Kotoko Prince Owusu a clash na among the clash because the clash a verbal interrogation coach the castle onya DB and the reaction it wasn't too pleasant, therefore it brought a very heated kind of dramatic scene between the player and the coach. Now, not in the presence of head coach Abdul Karim Zito. Mpanifo ehema asemno omotena so ekano enimo ya ameno kase no. The technical team headed by Abdul Karim Zito Sarki, the man who has been given charge of Asante Kotoko to manage for the rest of the season, it decided so take a strong decision. That decision will take it means he said this player is going to be suspended. And as Abenka said, he has been suspended. How long is he going on the peripherals? You know, the home formation, bro. If you are unsubscribe, the rest subscriber to so about Romano so. Na ya build it together information the baby no we are say na enya to hope e de bebro if you join the Kotoko reaction 0247 107260 0247 107260 na yendi kasubom e wo ho as oba join na wa subscribe so channel no utahwe na wo subscribe ya wada ma no wa subscribe ya mame and na fi last one we there I'm pleading with Ubia or Hebia. You hear sponsors, you hear sponsorship. Now you may be the next level. So the mechono. And see, Sawo, you may be our per se, you bong the Urumawa, wait my fanamba that screen so no. Nature say, wouldn't medical subuno. Now a quite be a befaso about products no to excel in the markets no. Yes, you may have familiar. So when the products be out the tongue crana or the NSA, open say. Obeso Super 24 TV, the blog man must say, that you media meeting wahano, bidin a brebiana, yes, intersion so and nantequa, in the end, nipa hiamwa, see Oberboy you media now person be sponsor, executive producer, sponsor of the program, of a number now, the umbiano, may not discuss it. Now I appreciate you. Because I feel and Nyasem Ketwa cry, on the next level, me saying. I was here interview Kotoko player, be a former player, be a Bokotoko Bia. President Gashas interview Kotoko players, Nankasania, the Omobetnefia, near Dinkomo, Nemo, no, the challenges, they say, the player not that's what club or not or bar, who interview na Eddie in tea. And no one same day, I got to be in the no. So current players now, Muslim interview, more former player, be a kind of story, oh, super no so. It's your no so the men go to me and yet, my name crew go to me yet, you be yamwa, in Timuano in the form of sponsorship, no matter my brochure for more hair, Ghana for more hair. Now, Maso Masene, now you're building it together. Men for my sedan so in Nida, Madame Asibi, after young court in seminary, you was a young crasse, Kumasa Sante Kotoko, technical team, as part of taking a decision to scare and I said to send a message to the other indisciplined players of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The Kotoko technical team is not going to tolerate any nonsense from the footballers. Yes, at the 23 points I meant to say they've decided to ban and also suspend Inusah Adams, the winger who had previously stints with Wafa and Okwabro Chiriba Kakranonso ever joining Kotoko. The main reason why I'm gathering saying Penny 4 are suspended is got to do with the fact that they want to send a big message to Kotoko playing body. They say no matter who you are, if you do not go by instruction, you are going to be penalized. And unti and I'm Penny 4 and Nediana no pana Omuya Samasa asem we nya fe na ye ko se control tebra and Penny 4 nim any who say this is gross misconduct. I don't know here, you know. And Penny Force a gross misconduct. Penny has a gross misconduct. Let us say one conducting in itself, obeka say oye professional who is giving high respect to authority. So by not giving high respect to the authorities, now no player no the authority Kotoko no he is under technical team. So anything the technical team says you to do, no, you have to abide. And unfortunately, I no pay clash a course, no. I'm told he said he didn't abide by instruction which was channeled out to him by the assistant coach Prince Owusu. Therefore, Penifo who say a serious gross misconduct which needs to be penalized. And by penalizing him, it is going to serve as a big caution to other Kumasi Asante Kotoko players who are currently at the team. Ebimo nso subaine ebimo attitude no ensheda nyesa. So to instill positiveness and disciplinary nyoma ewo Kotoko no information they say coach no ene the technical team ni nyina ya adwen say adea isi anopa no between Inusah Adams or yes no by not obeying instruction from Prince Owusu, the assistant coach, no, adea, it is tantamount to gross misconduct. Therefore, he has been suspended for 2 games. Yes, 2 games. No Kotoko. I'm told say Kotoko come match there. Yemfane enkaho. Enti Kotoko next game, no, is going to be Ghosta Saturday and Saturday. You know, minim there, sir. It is. I don't know. And I mean to mention, it is going to take effect from after Saturday game now, and I say before Saturday game, because already this week he has been training with the team all week, and unfortunately I don't pay Saturday a call so a training center where I'm paying for and crab and say or suspended no. But the player has the right to appeal in the suspension. This is what I've been told. A cobas and a face player no cry basa or no one who say I don't know you know. Wanye ni into why basa all day na me dey player no nipa dey nyoma bi say etasi na afoforo no mo no e na omu nsua no mu mfantu omo club na mo bo no e big club bo na wo ye ni na osom na ozum ni ya emfaso no bocha enti enne ye do waba na wo Kotoko a focus, be disciplined and be law abiding. Uyo obi akra mo hwe Samba Onel Nanka Congo ni ofri ayi ba de the captain amano because of the whole sikari no Ghana for players ni bi enya din kakra bi a na oma beti so. And I think say no the Kotoko technical team no no because ya mo one say mo wini a yenka se be pam but decision bi abetima ba nti omo nso omo ensure say players no ni oma enya omo twe oma so te say the oma twe ba ko aso enne ewiye